Yep, it's fine. Keep her coming. Hey, seen the light of day in a while. First wash in 30 years. The owner, previous owner here wants us to see it in its glory before he gives it up. Which is fine. Well, the handle's on backwards.
Hey.
Hey, look, there's a spider.
They did. Almost. That one.
I had on it when we started. We are back and the Opel is loaded. So here it is. We're gonna take it out of here and we'll take some more movies when we get it home. There's somebody waiting on us right now. Alright, we're closing it off. Engine compartment first. It needs a lot of degreaser. We're sitting for a bunch of years. We're going to see what they left inside for us. What kind of goodies are in here? It's been the ISU Aero technology, man. Alright. It's gonna need some work, but we got lots of goodies back here. Just take some video of the goodies. And it's got airbags. Mm-hmm. Box of goodies there, box of goodies there. Let's see what we get.
You can't open it from the other side.
Okay,
It's because
we're going to try to clean up the Opel a little bit.
Here you go, Dad. I think it needs a name.
What is it?
It needs a name. We have Opel and Opel.
Yeah, okay. We'll look at that in a minute here. Alright, here we are at the Opel. There's Titus. You can see everything is mildewy. It's just awful in the back. We'll go around the other side and you can see it even better. We got lots of mildew here. The back of the seats, the carpeted area is just disgusting. This carpeted area here is just really awful. Look at that.
I think those chairs were. And this is probably better than that other steering wheel we have. with the rubber on it.
Maybe.
Seems to be better than the other.
It doesn't look bad, really. The dash on this is really nice. You can't see it really through this glass, but the dash is really good. There's only some cracks on the other side over there. There's a little crack, but
Get the glass cleaner.
not bad. We're gonna try some mildew
Is this going in?
cleaner. I don't know what those are. We're gonna try actually a little bleach solution we made up. That's what I was gonna try anyway, and see if we can take off some of this mildew on the door.
There's no cassette in there.
So I'm gonna pop this in the stand. I'll be right back here. All right, we're gonna see what we can do to clean this door off, see if it makes a difference. I don't know. All right, Titus. This is all mildew. See if it gets rid of it. Might be old dead mildew too.
Got the economy.
All right. I smell a little bleachy there. Do you?
Yeah, I smell it. Yeah, that's what it smells like work.
Hey, drag the hose over here, one of you guys. Turn it on too.
I'd like to figure out what this.
This one looks pretty bad, there's no doubt, but
Should we scrub at this?
scrub it what?
This little.
I think that'll probably take some like acetone or something. Somebody's got something sticky on it. Gotta be careful here because this has some bleach water in it. I don't want to bleach out the fabric. Yeah, fabric. This seat looks really good.
Mm-hmm. It is. That would have got a little tear right here.
Yeah, I know. There's a tear. I saw it.
That's what they want. You have to redo that.
Look at that. 100 times better.
Doesn't even look like anyone has like been sitting in the passenger. It was originally black.
Somebody put carpet in there.
Oh, okay, I was gonna say.
Yeah, somebody's. I'm gonna go in the basement and see if I can find another black back carpeted panel because I think I got one. In the basement,
man.
it's better than that. Yeah, try not to get any on the carpet.
Get out that mildew.
How's it look back there? Pretty nasty. You have to. It's not autofocus,
Yeah,
so
no.
make sure you focus. Autofocus on this camera. Sherwin-Williams paint. Alright, so we were able to clean off this existing one. I got another one out of the basement. The existing one was really nice. And so we're just going to put it back without the hinges this time.
There's screws down there.
From what? Grab
Yeah,
those
there's
screws and
screws.
get rid of those. Look at that! Still a little wet. We need a towel, but that looks tons better. Okay, now for problem number 2, we've got some bad taillights here. Well, one thing we've noticed is that this bumper has been hit right here, and there's a dent here we didn't notice before. So we're probably going to have to do something to try to maybe jar that and pull it back out eventually. But for now, we're going to go ahead and change out these really white, oxidized, terrible lenses or housings. And of course, these lenses are all busted up. So we went down in the basement to the shopping center, to the Opel stash of parts. And of course, we have extras of everything. So I think these tail lenses here came off of the Opel I had in high school. So the side marker can be a little bit tricky to get in and out. Had this decent side marker for the left side. It looks pretty good. Now I don't know what they've done here. What is that? Oh, that's part of the plastic. So there's you'll have to peel out this rubber gasket because the screws are behind it. I missed it. Gasket don't look bad, we can reuse it. Are they Phillips still? Alright, good. Maybe they kept the original screws in there. Don't lose those. Everything is white. I mean, the chrome's gone, but it's got a layer of white and muck on it, like lime or something. And I don't know. They look horrible. They are very tricky. And then, while you got this off, I have to work on getting this side marker off. And it is not easy, I can tell you. It is. They're hard to get to. So let's reposition over here. The real trick of the side marker is getting inside to do it. It is a real trick getting a small socket or in there to get it off. This one works good. You can see what happens is These might have these on backwards, I can't remember. Yeah, it goes pretty much like that. There we go.
Yeah.
So it looks like that goes to the back. Yeah, so that's the way it goes.
It was weird because like this was all broken, and then if you go to this side, that was all it's just broken.
Oh, I'm missing the bracket on the back of that one. The top had a bracket, the bottom didn't. Okay, look at that.
There was like
Doesn't look the
white
greatest, does it?
spunk with like everywhere.
Yep, not good.
All out.
There.
Like double peel off things. That's kind of weird.
There we go.
You happy now?
Happy that's done, yes. Very happy. Okay. Alright, we're back. Got those tail lenses on, and they're looking really good now, as you can see. Put that new cap on the bumper, and then on this side I think we're going to have to do the same thing here, because this one's pretty bad, this bumper cap, but we'll get that one done. But we traded out all these other lenses, and they're looking all good, and they're working. This one was really, really bad too. It was like completely white, the brake indicator, and so I had a very decent one in my stash, so went ahead and put that on. A couple other things we did. It's really dark in here, so I think you saw some of this, but you know, the interior is pretty well cleaned out. The doors are looking really good, and everything's dry. We also had a decent wood steering wheel, and I was able to put that on there for him, and it's looking pretty good now. So next stop is trying to get the engine running. So you know, that's the next order of business. See if we can get the engine running. We also took the gas tank out. It needs a lot of work. We're gonna have to actually, I think that might be in another video, but we're gonna have to do something with the gas tank. It's rusty, and I've kind of looked at all the options I have in my spares. I had 3 or 4 of them, but they're all pretty bad. The best one I've got is definitely going to need some rust treatment and rework. So that's just what it's going to be, I'm afraid. How we did get there's not much to see back here that you haven't already seen, but I did order a bunch of parts for the brakes. So we got full brake rebuild and other pieces in there we need for the brakes. All I really need, I think, is a master cylinder kit or a new master cylinder. So yeah, so that's worked out pretty good. So until next time, we're gonna end this video, and hopefully we'll talk to you again when we're ready to get her cranked over.
Why am I on this side?
Did you see that fire? Did you see the fire pop out of there?
I could see it. I was right here.
Well, I probably put a little too much gas in there. I was wondering if that had happened.
Yeah, you look like
So did it.
Yeah.